Hi, this is Shane McNulty from Child Safe, and I'm installing an angle mount gate over at one of our customers' homes. We're using brackets to get us up and over the baseboard, so we don't need to screw into the baseboard, as well as or hang the gate higher on the baseboard than we'd like. So we want to make sure that the gate is no more than 3 inches off the ground for entrapment issues. So right now we'll be doing the bracket here like I was telling you about. So I'm putting a lot of screw in for this mount. Make sure that it's straight. So use levels when you do this so that your gate comes out straight. And then next I'll be hanging the hardware, which I need to go grab real quick. So now I'm installing the hardware to mount the gate. I'm going to start with the hinge side. And I'm going to do a pilot hole. And then again, make sure that you have these mounts level. So I'll put a level on it and level these up as well. If the gate's not level by these mounts right here, then the gate will tend to squeak when you open and close it. So I'm going to go ahead and finish hanging these four, and then I will show you what the end product looks like. So I've just got done installing this gate for the customer. Again, you can see the two mounts that pull it away from the baseboard so I can mount it low enough. You will see that the gate is no higher than 3 inches off the ground. It looks like it's about 2 inches off the ground. And it works just as the customer wants. So there's adjusting mounts that you're able to adjust the gate for those precise fits, which you want to make sure that you adjust those to match up with your mounting on the wall side, as well as the hinge side has some adjustments on it as well. So I'll clear my mess here, and customers will be perfectly happy with their gate. Thanks for watching this. Thanks, bye.